Good afternoon. My name is Nihal Singh and I am from Proud Technologies. Today I am going to give you the demonstration on library panel. Right. So this is the login screen of library panel, and if you want to get into the library panel, you need to give the username, which is LBN571334, and the password is. So this is the password, and after giving the username and password, please click on the sign in button. When you click on the sign in button, you will get into the library panel, and this is the login panel of library, and this is the dashboard of library panel. Alright, so as we can see that in our last session, every panel has the dashboard, and you can get the summary of all the panels in their dashboard. Right, so as the same thing is followed here in the library panel. This is the dashboard of the library panel, and we can see that the two things here. The first is total maintained cases, and the second thing is total appeal cases. Alright, so this is the library panel. What is library panel? Library, the name stands library, which suggests that library is a warehouse. Library is a warehouse where we can get all the things. If a library is the library of books, so we can get all types of book in there, and because it is in code, so it comes in code, so we can get all the files of the code in the library. So library, in this library we get all the cases related to the code, so that is library section. Right, so here we have two types of cases. The first is maintained cases and second is appeal cases. So what is maintained cases? In maintained cases, if you want to maintain any case, for example, if I have a case which is laid down in the something archive or something room number or something physical location, and I want to change the address or physical position of a case, then I need to I can change the archive room or the room number or the physical location of the case, then we can send it to the new place. Alright, so that is how to maintain the cases. Then another is total appeal cases. Total appeal cases means that after the library, when judge announced the judgment on a case, after that, if a petitioner or respondent is not happy with the judgment of the judge which is given by the court, so they can appeal into the next higher stage of the court. Alright, for example, if it is a session court, so they can apply the case into the higher court, and after that higher court they can apply to the Supreme Court. Alright, so that is that is the different stages of court. So if a person is not happy, so they can appeal into the next stage of the court. Alright, so that is called the appeal section. So these are the two things. So total, as we can see that there is the number 0 in the front of total maintained cases. It means that we don't have any file in this section. Alright, and we can see number 1 into the total appeal cases. So it means that we have one case in the front of total appeal cases. Alright, so when you click on the one number, you can get the detail of a particular case. So this is the case number. The case number is CR428220, and the case type is criminal CR, and the court name is court 1. So this is the case which is coming from the court 1. Alright, so it means that the judge of court 1 has announced the case or announced the judgment on this case, and after that this case comes into the appeal section, because the appeal section has all the cases whose petitioner or respondent want to appeal into the next level. So this section has only those cases. So it means that this case has the petitioner or respondent of this case want to appeal into the next higher level. So this is the details of the case. This is the case number, case type is criminal, court name is court 1, and that is the entry date of the case. Alright, and if as we can see that two parameters are given there. The first is case number and the second is case type. If you want to search the case. Right now we have only one case, that is it is very easily to get the case into the grid. But if there are more than so many cases, so it is that time it is difficult to get a particular case. So for this you can give the case number on the given text boxes and click on the search button. You will get the particular case. But if you don't have the case number, you can easily select the case type, what kind of case it is it a civil case, criminal case, or anything else. So you will get all the cases of that type. Alright, so this is the little searching parameter here. So this is total appeal cases. Alright, so as I told you earlier that we don't have any maintained cases right now. So this is the dashboard of the appeal library. This is the dashboard of the library, and after that cause list. So when we come into the cause list, we have two things: maintained cases and appeal cases. We don't have any case into the maintained cases, that why it is showing no details found. Right, and if you click on the appeal section, so we can get we have only one case because it is showing on the dashboard. So this is the case details, and if you want to appeal, why it is coming into the appeal section, because the petitioner or respondent of this case want to appeal into the next higher level. That is why it is showing on the appeal section. Alright, so if the petitioner, if the case is going from library to appeal section, so they can download their respondent document or the petitioner document, and they can appeal into the next higher level. So when the petitioner respondent appeal into the next level, the case will move from library to appeal section. Alright, so that is all about the cause list, and after that case search. So when you click on the case search, the same thing is happening here also. These are the few searching parameters. If you want to search the case, you can give the case number, case type, date from to date to, and you can get the particular file of the case. Alright, so this is the case search. After that, support. So what is going on in support? Same thing is happening in the as I told you in the last sessions, that if the librarian has any kind of problem related to the case or anything else, so they can give the subject and give the message, and when they click on the submit button, admin panel get the complaint from library section. Alright, so this is the all about the library section. So, and we will give you the next demonstration of the e-code management system in our next video. So till then, thank you, bye bye.